Today guys, we are going to unbox at a Tomei exhaust for the Supra, the new Supra 2019 up. So, unbox natin. Hanapin ko yung mga alalay ko. Penguin thing. Why we like this exhaust? The main reason is because it's light. It's made full f***ing titanium. So, turuan ko kayo paano magbukas ng exhaust. Okay? Na hindi nasulatan yung mga kamay nyo. Ayan. So guys, magically nabuksan siya. Mabilis lang. So, wow, this is light. So compared to the stock exhaust of the Supra, this is a lot lighter. Mamaya I will go into detail on how much weight this exhaust saves. Meron dalawang version. The single exit and the dual exit. This is the dual exit. Para both bumpers meron pa rin sila. So, let's open it. Oh, magically na bubuksan yung ano ko. So, look at the welds. So, this is most probably machine welded titanium. So, sobrang gaan niya talaga. As in, to give you an idea on how light this is, mas mabigat pa to kaysa dito. Next pipe. This is the Y pipe going to the dual exit. Pagpasensya nyo po yung nakabukas ko. Ito. Dapat may mukha. Yan. Ang paalam po sa asawa niyan, magtatrabaho pero kakarating lang po niyan dito. Nang babae pa po. Valentine's number 2. So ito yung isang pipe. Ayan. So pati hanger niya titanium. Very, very, very light. Kasi if you guys are wondering kung ano to, this is for the weak. Ito, yung hindi kaya yung mga kapitbahay nila kasi natatakot sila sa kapitbahay nila. Ito yung pampatahimik ng exhaust. So pag nakaganto ka, ibig sabihin, takot kang mapagalitan ng kapitbahay mo. Ako hindi ako takot eh. So, hindi ko kailangan to. Dalawa sila. Ito pa. This is the anti-neighbor device. So, if you put this on, you will probably get free food from your neighbors. Pero, fuck the neighbors. Hindi natin kailangan yan. So, pakita muna natin yung laman ng catalog. So, inside, you have Tomei stickers. Dami, oh. So, bigyan natin sa owner ng car. So, mamaya pakita natin yung Supra kung gaano siya katahimik. Meron na rin siyang, this is new, this is new. Installation manual download. So, kailangan mo na ng internet para makita mo siya kung paano in-install. Well, it's an exhaust. So, if hindi mo kaya magkabit ng exhaust, kailangan mo ng manual to install an exhaust. Magluto ka na lang. Car's not for you. Sama rin yan, Tomei. But I think it's too much. This is a nice plate frame also. Pero yun nga, hindi kasi sa plate natin to. This is for the US market eh. So, and there you go. There you go. Look at that. Tomei Expreme TI. Titanium catback exhaust. So look at the details. Look at the details. Very light. So we get 2 of these. So sama pa isa. So very, very big box. Ano bang kasama niya? So ito dito. So even the hangers. This is not the hanger. Sige, explain natin kung paano ito gumagana. So I don't know if you notice there are no flanges on the Tomei exhaust. So wala silang flange. Usually may flange connecting 2 pipes together. So usually ginagawa nila to connect 2 pipes, merong flange. Papakita ko sa example mamaya. Pero this one, tinutusok lang siya. See? Yan, pagkatusok na gano'n, yan meron siyang spring dito na nakakabit. Like this. So, dito nakakabit yung spring na yan. Okay. And then may clamp. So, nakaklamp siya. And kung magtatanong kayo kung may leak, well, they thought of it also na laging from the exhaust side palabas, nakapasok yung pipe. So example. So that part there is coming from the engine. Ito, papunta na sa backside. So, ganito siya. Ganyan siya. So, kahit anong mangyari, yung flow ng exhaust gas pa ganun. So, you know. So, from here, diretso siya dito. So, never ka magkakalik. Never ka magkakalik. Tapos may clamp ka dito, tsaka spring na nakakonect. So, you know, it's easier to install. Less hassle din kasi pag tumatagal minsan, nagkakaproblema kayo sa gasket eh. Gasket ng flange ng exhaust. So, this is a very good design from Tomei. And this is why we also like it. Hirap lang umorder na to. Pero yun, we have a set here for the Supra. So, pakita natin kung paano siya gumagana. So, yun nga. This side is from the engine, palabas na ganun. So, this is how they secure the exhaust. Matigas pala siya. So, kailangan ko ng tools. Anyway, ito, tsaka yan, naka-ganon siya. Tapos, kahit masira yung spring, meron pang clamp ito. Ganito. So, yun. Sobrang secured niyan. Hindi mo masasira yan unless talagang isemplang mo yung kotse. So, there you go. This is the dual exit Tomei titanium exhaust for the Supra.